Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi Khetan and I'm going to share with you 7 powerful manifestation techniques in this video. So for this we need 2 glasses. One is filled with water and other one is empty, and we need sticky notes and pen. So this is called water manifestation technique. This manifestation technique is useful when you are feeling low and when you are not feeling the way you want to feel. Because when you are manifesting, you need to feel certain emotions so that you are able to manifest it. And because water rules over our emotions, so that's why water manifestation techniques makes it quicker to manifest things that you want to feel. So for this, we will take the sticky notes and we will write. In one sticky note, you have to write your current reality. Just write your current reality and stick it to the glass that is filled with water. And then you I took a round glass, that's why it's not sticking properly. You can take a square glass or you can just use smaller sticky notes also. Okay, and then another sticky note, you write how you want to feel when your manifestation is fulfilled. Like for example, if you don't have a job, you will be feeling worthless. But if you get your dream job, you will be feeling very wow, or you will be feeling very empowered. So how you want to feel, you have to write in the manifestation sticky note. So this one you put in the empty glass. So now take the glass with water and with all the emotions that you are feeling, that you are feeling low or if you are not feeling good, feel all the negative emotions first, because you have to feel it, otherwise you can't release it. So feel all the negative emotions and then for a while sit with this water and then pour this water into this new reality, that is the new thing that you want to manifest. By doing this small action, you are transferring your energy from not having what you have to having what you want. So now with this new emotions, you can hold this and you can sit with it for maybe at least 2 to 3 minutes, and you should feel all the goodness and all the good things that is happening to you. For example, if you were sick, now you are feeling healthy. So think of all the good emotions, and then after, when you are really filled with the emotions, then drink this water. So by doing this simple water manifestation technique, you can really manifest your reality. So there is another method which is known as the gratitude jar method. Gratitude jar I made in COVID times. I made in May 2020. You can see here. So I made this jar in 2020 because it was COVID times and everything was uncertain. So only gratitude was the thing which really kept us going. So it's a jar which you can use for long-term manifestation, and also it's family friendly. You can involve all the family members for this. You can create your own schedules, like on their birthdays everyone have to write something. So something like that, you can create yearly rituals around this jar. So for this, what you have to do, make one jar and you can decorate as like however you want it. And then you can put 2 type of things in it. One sheet is about what you are already grateful for, like you already have a good house, maybe you already have good health, so that you can write that you are grateful for that. And another thing, you have to write what you want to manifest within a year, mostly within a year. And then you should write that you are already grateful for receiving it. It is not something you want, you are already grateful for having that, because being grateful in advance is one of the best way to manifest something. So for example, you want good health, or maybe you want a good job, you want a satisfactory job. So you will just write that I am so grateful and blessed to have a good job, or have the job, my dream job. And you will write that I am already grateful for that. So when you put that, it will automatically start happening in your life. So this is the third method, and it is one of my personal favorite. I use this method a lot. For this, you need one diary which you will dedicate only for this method. You will not write anything else in it. And you should write with blue color pen. Don't write with red or any other color. You should write with blue. So for this, what you have to do, it is called 369 method. 369, and it should be done for short-term goals. You should not be doing this method for long-term goals, because it's very tiring to keep writing for the whole year. But if you want to manifest something within 15 days or 1 month, like you are looking for a house, you need to change the house, or if you are looking for a job, or if you are looking for good health, something like that. So for that thing, you should write this thing. turn your goal into one single affirmation in the present tense. It should not be I want this or I will be having that. It should be a present tense sentence like I have this job, or I have one beautiful house, or my health is good, something like that. So turn that into the positive and present tense affirmation. And after turning that into a sentence, write it 3 times in the morning after you wake up, 6 times in the afternoon whenever you get time, and 9 times before you go to sleep. So by doing this, you will manifest it sooner. And for how long you have to write it, it up to you. you Ideally you can do it for 7 days, but if you are more intense and you really want to manifest it, then you can keep writing it until the day it manifests. For example, you have a meeting coming up, you know the date already. So for that you can write. If you want to crack one deal, so you have 15 days of time. So you start writing from today, and up to the meeting day you will be writing. So this method is very useful for short term goals. This is another manifestation technique which is my own. You won't find this content anywhere else. This I created myself and I use it a lot. So for this, what you have to do, it is also a short-term manifestation technique. Don't use it for the long-term goals. If you have any upcoming meeting coming up, if you want to crack some deal, so in those kind of scenarios, you should use your perfume at home. First, you should use the perfume at home. You can sprinkle some perfume on you and visualize the best possible outcome. Visualize the best possible outcome of your meeting, of the deal you want to crack, or maybe if you are going on a date. So visualize the best possible outcome while using the perfume. And again on the D day, again use the same perfume. So if you are going for the same work using the same perfume, you will make sure that you can manifest the best possible outcome. So this is another manifestation technique which also involves writing it down. Writing is very important part. Don't be lazy in writing your dreams, because trust me, only by writing it you already start the cycle of manifestation. So never be lazy for writing. So this is for the long term goal. Last time we did 369, which was for short term goals, and it is for the long term goals. So for this you need to take one paper and fold it like this, like A4 paper, and fold it 4 folds. So now you have 4 segment, and you can, after that you have to write. This method is known as 3 5 7 11 method. So you have to write your goals for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 11 years. So you make 4 segments like this, and then you write at 1.3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 11 years. So like that you have to write. And you can also mention the year, like it is 2026. So if you are doing within few days, so after 3 years what year it is, you can mention the years. And then give yourself some time. Think what you really want to manifest. Give yourself some time. Like you should not be in a hurry while you are doing this exercise. You should think, and then you should write what you want to manifest within 3 years, how you want your life to look like. It can include dreams for your family too. It doesn't have to be only about yourself. So within 3 years, how you want your life to look like. Within 5 years, how you want it to look like. Within 7 years, and within 11 years. So write that down and then keep it somewhere in your cupboard and forget about it. Don't look at it. Just keep it somewhere, and you should open it only after 3 years. So only after 3 years when you open, you will understand how far you have come, and then you can open after 5 years, like that. So this is a very effective method, and you will not find this method anywhere else. It is my own method. Now I am going to share with you the 6th method. This one I named Tell 5 People method. In this, what you have to do is very simple. It is for yourself only. You can't manifest with this method for someone else. This is about your own dreams. It's about your own manifestations. So for this, what you have to do, you have to tell 5 people about your manifestations. You have to tell 5 people what you really want to manifest. And trust me, people really don't want to do this because they feel that they should not tell about their dreams, and there is a resistance. But if you can't speak about what you want, if you can't write what you want, then you won't be able to manifest it, because that is the first physical evidence of the manifestation. Because when it is in the mind, it is just a thought. There is no physical evidence, and there are many thoughts coming up one after another. But once you start writing or speaking about it, you give some importance to that thought, and then gradually the universe will start creating more opportunities around that thought, because you have chosen that thought, and you are speaking about it, and you are writing about it. So this is very simple, but it's advanced because people don't want to do. So try this and let me know how it worked for you. And now the seventh method, it is opposite to what we did in the sixth one. In the sixth one, we tell to 5 people. In this method, we tell to no one. And I call this method tell no one method. And because you will not tell anyone about this, when you are manifesting, you will not tell to the person for whom you are manifesting. And this technique is to be used for someone else. You can't use this method for yourself. It is for someone else, someone of your family or your friends or your sibling, for whomever you want to manifest. And it should be for a specific goal. For example, you want your kids to be in a certain university, you want promotion for your spouse, and something like that. So for those kind of specific goals, you should use this technique. For that, what you have to do, choose a new moon day. New moon is also known as Amavasya. So on a new moon day, write in a small note the specific thing you want for the person. And it should not be a very lengthy note. It should be a very short, simple, very simple, simply written note. And at the same time, don't do it for 4 or 5 people. Like if you are manifesting for your son or for your daughter, so on that specific day, you should putting all your intention, all your emotions only for that particular person and only for that one specific goal. So after writing it, you should just fold it and keep it somewhere. Don't look at it again, and don't tell anyone about it. Don't tell anyone that you did it, because this method works only when you keep it as a secret. So those were the 7 techniques for manifestation. I hope you liked it, and if you use it, please let me know. And please let me know what else you want to know about manifestation, and I will help you in your journey.